Hey y'all, just a friendly reminder before the snow comes to vacuum around your dryer. Okay, mine's out of commission, yet you need to make sure that yours is working properly. Don't be afraid to use your vacuum cleaner. Okay, if you have one that's like this, that will help you. Let me show you what else this does. Wait till you see it. What else you can do with it is there's a reverse, so it blows. Check this out. It blows everything. Hang on. Let me show you what this does in reverse. Just like that. It has a reverse, ladies, gentlemen. It cuts down on dusting. I have knickknacks up here I can't reach. I discovered it one day. See? Look. It gets the dust particles. Now, do that before you vacuum. But if you have waxers, don't blow the wax. It's powerful to adjust it like that. Let me show you what else you can do with it. You can go outside and it blows the leaves. Look at that. You want to close it up so you can blow the leaves better. And that will cut down on the back claws. Just wanted to share from my home to yours.